In this video, I'm going to show you how to monetize your TikTok account. So if you want to start making money from posting videos on TikTok, I'm going to show you the exact steps to get monetized. Now, the first thing is you need to head over to your TikTok profile, and we're just going to click on the navigation bar in the top right hand side. Now go and click on Settings and Privacy. You can then select Account. And the first option we have here is to switch to a business account. Now this is really optional, but it does give you access to more analytics, and it also allows you a couple more ways to monetize your account. So for example, if you wanted to sell products of your own on the TikTok shop, then you'd need to ensure you have a business account. Now, whether you decide to sign up for a business account or not, we need to head back over to our TikTok profile. You can then click on the navigation bar in the top right hand side and then click on TikTok Studio. Now, if you scroll down to this inspiration tab, you can go and click on monetization next to this, and this will show you all of the different monetization programs available for your account. So I'm going to go and click on this view all button, and you can see there's a bunch of different ways to monetize and to make money on TikTok. So all you simply need to do is go and select the program that you're interested in, and it's going to give you a bit more information about what's required in order to join this program. So for my account, I'm not currently eligible for this specific program, but what you can do is click on the get notified when I'm eligible at the bottom of this page, and that way when you are eligible for a specific program, it would notify you via TikTok and via email. Now, if you also come back over to the previous window, you can see at the top here is how much money we've currently made in TikTok. So when you start earning money, it will appear in this balance here, and you can know exactly how much you've made via your TikTok videos.